Hey guys, today I'm checking out this set of dinnerware acrylic holders that I received for viewing purposes, and I think that it's a really nice set that you can use to, well, show off your dinnerware. If you want to sell them, if you have a store and want to display them, I think that it's a nice option. Or if you just have a really nice fancy set of dinnerware that you want to highlight at your house, I think that this is a nice set. It's a 8-piece set. You got 4 plate holders and these other 4 cups and little plate holders also. Okay, so you can see it's a really nice set. These are all acrylics and these ones have this protective film that I'm gonna take off. Okay, now as you can see they are ready, all unwrapped. As you can see they have this really nice clear acrylic design. I'm gonna go ahead and start placing my plates upon this one and some cups in the holders, and I have the complete set, but let's just make it work. Come on. You can keep your kitchenware organized and beautifully displayed with this set. As I've said, it includes everything that you're gonna need, from the 3 tire plate display stands and 4 teacups and saucer holders. They give you everything that you need to organize and showcase your plates, cups, and tableware. Whether for everyday storage or an elegant display, it's a perfect solution for both function and style. They are crafted from a durable, high-quality acrylic, and the plate stands are sturdy and reliable, featuring 4 rubber feet on the bottom to keep them secure and stable. The teacup and saucer stands are made from smooth, lightweight plastics that's reusable and designed to last, resisting breakage while maintaining a clear, polished look. And as you could see, the setup is quick and simple. You just need to peel off the protective film and the stands are ready to use. Each plate stand holds panels at a 75-degree angle, providing a clean, modern way to display your items. And these stands aren't just for plates, they are also perfect for books, cutting boards, collectibles, and more. With their clear design, they blend effortlessly with any decoration, enhancing your space without distraction. Okay, now as you can see, I have already arranged them and I think they look really nice. As I've said, you can use it as a decoration to highlight some of your dinnerware. If you have a really nice set of china that you want to highlight, I think that it's nice. Obviously, if you are planning to sell your dinnerware, I think that it's a nice option. And as you can see, you can just leave them at the table set ready to highlight and make it look a little bit more nicer. And when the dinner is ready, just everyone can take out their proper plates. As you can see, I have still space in here where the smaller plates goes and the teacup place that can be placed even in the holders for the cups, which I think that it's a really nice set. Overall, I think that it's a great set and I will really recommend it. See you guys.